Alright, the purpose of this video is this. These applicator pads I found at Walmart. These are microfiber, and I'll tell you the thing about them. They're like 5.5 inches across, and everybody's always looking for some kind of bonnet they can use on these car polishers. So check it out. What we got here is we got the Harbor Freight polishers. Now this is the 6-inch backing plate that comes on it. These things are too little for it, but we have a 5-inch backing plate, and these things just go on it just right. Now the thing is with this is, let's see. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean it, and these are not. This is a microfiber. Let me do some cleaning with it, and I'll tell you more about these deals because you're going to want these. Now this carpet scrap, I don't know if it shows on video, but believe me, it's very dirty. It sits outside for month after month, and it gets who knows what. Cats and dogs lay on it. It gets peed on. It gets who knows, you know. But it's very dirty. So we're going to try this and see how it works. So here we go. And I've never used one of these before, so you're seeing it for the first time just like me and Joe are. Okay, now that's insane. See how it comes off. So it grips on. That's the side we used. That's the side, that's what they look like. So they picked up a ton of dirt. Now the thing about this is, you have to order one of these backing plates, which Joe will put a link for the backing plate in the description of the video so you can get this. How much are they? Do you remember?
I don't remember. The price varies.
They're inexpensive. There's a bunch of companies making, but you want to get a 5-inch backing plate. And the nice thing is, if you get a 5-inch backing plate, you can start buying these things. And people say, well, what's the big deal about these? Well, I'll tell you what. You can buy them at Walmart. They're $1.47 for 2 of them.
I think they're $1.79.
No, they're $1.47.
Okay. I looked on the...
for 2 of these things.
I looked on Walmart.com for these, and it shows they're out of stock, but they were in the store. So check your local store. See if they have them, even if they show they're out of stock online. And I found some that look pretty much identical to them on Amazon. I'll try to put a link in the video description for the ones you can get on Amazon in case you don't want to go to Walmart or whatever. And I think those come in a 7-pack versus this was a 2-pack. And I think Walmart also has a 5 or 6-pack. So
everybody's looking for something that they can buy.
Well, these are inexpensive, so if you end up having to throw one away, big deal.
But they're durable. If I have this thing turn up on high speed and it's not tearing them up, normally it'll tear something up if it's not durable.
But they're nice and thick, so they should absorb a lot of dirt and everything. And you can use those when you clean upholstery and when you do car interiors or when you do staircases. So.
They're actually called applicator pads, but they work for this and they work fine. Now you can use these on stairs, couches, sectionals, car interiors like car seats, car floors, carpets.
And use it on your cat, on your dog.
Well, they're not too harsh, so you could use them on the ceilings of cars.
Yeah, they're gentle.
But they clean. You saw that.
Yeah.
They do a good job.
Check the video description for links to find these things, and all you need is a little dual action polisher, and I'll put a link for the backing plate and everything.
You got to have a 5-inch backing plate.
Yeah, you can't use the 6-inch unless you find these a slightly larger size, like at maybe Harbor Freight or something. I don't know about that.
Now, when I was in the Walmart store and saw these things, I didn't know how big they were, so I actually went over to the hardware department and found a ruler, and I measured them. They're 5.5 inches.
Yeah.
So
they compress when you push down on them a little bit.
Yeah, they compress.
They're not going to fit on the stick.
They fit the 5-inch backing plate perfectly.
Yeah.
And you see them. The reason they're important is because you can get these at Walmart. You don't have to go looking for them on the internet and wait for them to show up at your house. It's just $1.47 for two. You can't beat it.
You can go grab a few of them whenever you're going to a job or something if you need them. So
you go spend $10 and you got these are 75 cents a piece.
You could probably find similar ones at lots of auto parts stores and things like that. But that's just a basic idea. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and check the video description. Until next time, thanks for watching.